Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to film, create high quality, engaging beauty content just using your mobile phone like this. If you guys enjoyed that video and you'd like to see the creation process as well as share with you my tips and tricks on how we created that content right now, then definitely do keep on watching. Right, so now that we are here, the first thing that I usually do is to set up. I like to set up my camera, the products I'm going to be using. I usually like to have them on my table like right here. And then once I have all the products that I need, I then go ahead to set my camera. If you guys want a detailed version of how to set your camera for filming, I'll leave a link up here so you guys can watch the video on how I set my camera for filming YouTube videos using the mobile phone. So instead of filming this way like you would typically do if you're filming for YouTube, better film this way and film with the back camera, okay? This is for YouTube while this is for Instagram, right? So I'm gonna just set this camera properly and composition it very well. So when it comes to creating high quality content for me, there are two things I look out for: the detailing as well as the process. Right, so next up, something else I want to say is that on like creating content for YouTube, with Instagram you only have 1 minute. Keep it as short and as simple but still entertaining as possible. Bear in mind that you're kind of creating like a 1 minute movie, 1 minute short movie, so you want to make it as interesting as possible, as educative as possible, as entertaining as possible. Background looks good, I'm looking good, I'm framed well, I'm compositioned well. Now that we are good to go, the first thing I like to do is to come on camera, show my bare face and just show my personality at the same time. So we start, and I usually just do a couple of motions. I like playing around with movements, so I'm just going to show, use, show, use, show, use, if that makes sense. So now let's start. So a lot of movement as well. I really play around with movements so that way you guys get like a different view, maybe like, you know, get the detailing of that, and then hey guys, so I literally just finished editing this video that you're watching right here, but I just wanted to let you guys know that in case you guys are interested in elevating your content and creating high quality content on Instagram, I do have an online course. Definitely check it out if you're interested. It's amazing, it's straight to the point, very detailed, hours and hours of tutorials and tips and tricks and showing you guys the behind the scenes of how exactly I create my pro high quality content for Instagram, and also how I edit it. I'm showing you guys different videos, 2 videos, amazing content. I'll leave the link over here as well as in the description box so you guys can definitely check it out. So back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be doing like a voiceover from here on, just so I can really explain to you guys exactly how I film. And something about me is that I love to film in, I want to say, batches. So I want to show you guys the detailing, the process, but still show you guys a lot of personality. Again, put in mind that you're recording
a 1-minute movie. So once in a while, I like to make eye contact and just have fun with it like I'm doing here. I play around with the products that I'm working with just to make it a little bit more entertaining and a lot more engaging, right? So you would notice that I'm pausing and playing and stopping the recording just because I'm filming a short content and I don't want to have hours and hours of footage to edit. So like now I'm going to blend halfway, I'm going to pause it, do it off camera, then come back and then record again and then show you guys that, okay, I blended it out. Obviously, you guys don't need to see the entire process of me blending out because blending out takes like maybe 5 minutes, right? So I'm just going to be showing you guys the key detailing, the product I'm using, how I'm using it, and then the end result of it. So that's what you're going to be seeing throughout this content. But then with still a lot of personality and a lot of like just playing around, basically. Now, before you take the product out of the camera, make sure that it had focused for at least 1 second. Now, if that means you holding the product for 1 minute, then hold it for 1 minute. Trust me. Like, it's just going to be a waste of time if the brands don't see the product you're using and if your audience don't see the product you're using. Again, you're not showing the product for fun, you're showing it for actual detailing. So if you need to hold it on a bit longer, don't feel frustrated doing that. Just make the content worth it. Cool? All right. So this is truly how I record my content. Something to note is that I usually use my camera, but it's the same process, just a different device. Again, I'm very key on detailing, so I want you guys to see the grains of powder. Is it grains of powder? I want you guys to see the powder, like the detailing and me using it and just having fun in the process, right? So just any little detail that you can apply or you can use makes a whole lot of difference, right? So I'm just going to show you guys me putting it on in like 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then stop recording because you guys don't need to see the entire process. If you wanted to see the entire process, then you come on YouTube and watch hours or minutes of clips. Hey guys. Okay, so we're just going to pause that and play that again and then start recording again. I play around with my products and you guys would see the detailing as well and what the content looks like. Maybe sometimes I might even swatch the content, the product, but I'm just going to show you guys how I'm using it, the shade I'm using, and the process basically, while keeping it fun and fresh and just me, you get, yeah. You guys might think that I'm extra, which sometimes I am. But in reality, in video marketing, the average human attention span is about 3 seconds to 5 seconds. So in order to keep people on that video for at least 1 minute, you need to give them reasons, you need to be engaging. So if you guys see me being a bit extra and a bit, playful and fun, it's because it's truly, how I am, but at the same time, I'm letting that personality shine through. That's like the star version of me or version of me. So you guys get to see that and all that. So just like movies, you guys, in movies, most actors have like a very boring personality, but whenever they're in front of the camera, they need that character that are trying to depict to come to life. So that's what I'm doing. Again, detailing, process, outcome, but with still a lot of personality and fun. So I always do this over and over again until I get like crisp detailing. I want the name to show, I want the bristles to show, I want the applicator to show, and just have fun with it. Movement for me is so key. I love movement because it adds a lot of I want to say sass, but not really sass. It just adds a lot of I want to say entertainment, but it uplifts the content in summary. Again, try as much as possible to make eye contact as often as you can. Look straight on into the camera for at least 1 or 2 seconds and then continue with what you're doing. Again, playing around with my product like I always do. Different movements, different motions, showing up the product, showing you guys the content and showing you guys applying it and then the end result. So behind the scenes, I'm actually jamming to a music. I always do that whenever I'm filming. So most times you guys might see me dancing or singing along to the song, but it just adds life to me whenever I'm recording. So whatever adds life to you when you're recording, if it's music, if it's food, try and do that so that way you can get into character and just have the most fun. You're being like the best engaging version of yourself, right? So that's what we're doing right now. So this is the finished look that we just filmed on our phone. So typically when I'm done filming, I like to spend at least 5 minutes kind of slaying the look. I want to see angles, detailing. So something that you can definitely also do if you're recording on your phone is to just turn on your flashlight. Now, because you're recording on your phone, it's so easy to kind of carry around and it's so easy to move. I don't know if you guys can see what my face looks like. It looks really glowing and glistening, like the highlights are popping without the flash, with the flash, without the flash. I don't know if you guys are getting the point, but this is with the flash. So something you can do if you're trying to do like your outro is to just turn on your flash and just do like a little bit of like movement. So we'll just do this. So we can pause that because we only need like maybe 2-3 seconds out of this, to be honest with you. So that's basically how to film high quality beauty makeup content using your phone. So now that we are done with the filming process, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I edited this video to look like this.
yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, as well as share this video. So if you guys are here to watch the part 1 where I give you guys tips as well as tricks on how to film beauty content, I'll have that video over here. So definitely do check that one out. Subscribe to my channel, again, it is free, and I'll see you guys in my other videos. So yeah, let's go.